Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and inspecting the lightning cable closely so you know what to fix and why. Once you see frayed insulation or a loose connector, strip back only the outer sheath to expose the internal wires. Make sure to separate colored conductors and note shielding. This prevents shorts. If the connector end is cracked, prepare to remove it. Gather heat shrink tubing, sized for the bundle, and a low-wattage soldering iron or a reliable crimp option before you proceed. Now you repair the internal conductors. Trim back any nicked copper and strip roughly 2 to 4 millimeters of insulation for clean joints. Once stripped, tin each conductor with low-temperature solder to prevent fraying and improve conductivity. Reconnect wires to the replacement connector or resolder the original, matching colors and shielding precisely so data and power lanes remain correct. After soldering, check continuity and charging function with a safe source. This step verifies you haven't created a short or open circuit. Finish by sliding heat shrink tubing over the repaired section and applying even heat until it contracts snugly, restoring mechanical strength and insulation. Then add a layer of electrical tape or an outer sleeve as strain relief at the connector to prevent repeat failure. Secure both ends. Once sealed, plug into a trusted charger and observe charging/data transfer. If it fails, reopen and inspect solder joints, continuity, and connector pin alignment. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.